Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss the order of operation in algebra. So if you're given an algebraic expression, so you have to make sure you use the order of operation to get the right answer. Acronym is PEMDAS. So you can use those words. Please excuse my dear Auntie Sally to remember the order of operation, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. For example, if you're asked to evaluate 8 minus 2 into x minus 10 plus 4 into x minus 16 minus 20 is equal to 4 into x minus 24. So when you're given an algebraic expression as given above, you evaluate it. So you have to first of all clear the brackets, that's the parentheses. That bringing down the 8 minus, then we have 2 outside the brackets, 2 outside the bracket that has x minus 10. So what you're going to do is to multiply the 2 by x minus 10. So 2 multiplied by x is what? 2x. Is negative 2, sorry. So negative 2, because there's a negative in front of the 2. So negative 2 multiply by x is negative 2x. Then negative 2 multiplied by negative 10. If you remember the rule for multiplication, when two numbers, when they have the same sign, the answer is going to be positive, so it changes to positive. That's plus 2 times 10 is what? 20. Then the second bracket now, plus 4 multiplied by x is plus 4x, plus 4 multiplied by negative 16. So we have two numbers with different signs, so it's going to be a negative, so we put a negative. So we're going to 4 times 6 is 24, right? 4, then carry 2. 4 multiplied by 1 is what? Is 4, then add the 2, that's 6, so negative 64. Then we have minus, we bring down minus 20 is equal to, then you have to clear the brackets of this one, the other one, the one at the right side. So we have positive 4 multiplied by x, which is 4x. And we have positive 4 multiplied by 24. So if you multiply 4 by 24, negative 24, sorry. So you're gonna be a negative. So we put a negative. The answer is gonna be negative. Then we have 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. You write 6. Carry 1. Then 4 multiplied by 2 is what? Is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's minus 96. Okay, so the next step now is to collect like terms. So, but before you do that, you have to check if we have any two numbers that are canceling each other. So now we have on the left side, we have positive 20 here and we have negative 20. So what we're going to do is to cancel them out to make your life easy. Cancel them out. Then, so we have to collect like terms now. So we bring down 8. 8. This is 8. Another number that is a constant is 64, negative 64. 8, negative 64. There's no other constant. So we go back to negative 2, negative 2x. So we bring down negative 2x, and this is positive 4, positive plus 4x. Then you put equal to bring out the equal to, then this is 4x minus 96. Okay, so now we have 8 minus 64. You remember the rules. When you have two numbers that are, because this is plus 8 minus 64. So when you have two numbers that have different signs, what do? What you're gonna do is to keep the sign of the larger number. So 8 minus 8, so the larger number is 64. So the sign is negative. So you then do the normal operation, take the smaller one from the larger one. So 64 minus 8 is what? 56. So you have negative 56. Then we have negative 2x plus 4x. So we do the same thing that we did when we have two numbers. We keep the sign of the larger number. So the sign of the larger number, which is plus 4, which is a positive sign. So we're going to put plus. Then we say 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So we have plus 2x is equal to 4x minus 96. So now, what next to do? X, the one that has an x to be free. So what you're gonna do? Just how do you do it? To eliminate eliminate the number, the constant, and leave the x alone. You just add 56 to both sides, or whatever you do on the right side, you do it on the left side. So plus 56, this cancels out. So we have only 2x now. Then plus 56. So 90. So we bring down these 2x first. Bring down the 2x. 2x will then be equal to 4x. Then 96 minus 56. So what you're going to do, remember the rule. They have different signs. So we're going to keep the sign of the larger number, which is negative. Minus 96 is a larger number. We put the negative. Then you take the smaller number from the larger number. So 96 minus 56 is what? That should be 40. 40. So now what we're going to do, we're going to eliminate this 4x. We're going to eliminate this 4x to free this constant on the right side. So what do? We just deduct 4 minus 4x minus 4x. That's what you do on the right side, you do it on the left side as well. So here we have this one cancels out. So 2x minus 4x. What you're gonna do just to keep the sign of the larger number, which is negative. Negative 4 is larger number. 4 is larger number, sorry. So the sign is negative. Then 4 minus 2 is what? Is 2. Right? Negative 2x will be equal to 4 negative 40. Negative 40. So when you have it like this, the next step, you're gonna divide both sides. For you to free this x, you're going to divide both sides by -2. -2, -2. So now, when negative divides negative, the answer is positive. So -2 will cancel each other. -2, -2. So we have just x by itself. So x will be equal to -40 divided by -2. So negative divided negative is going to be positive. So 2 divided 40 is what? 20. So we have positive 20. So x is positive. So that's your answer. Hope you find this helpful. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it as soon as possible. Thank you.